beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Right, we're heading towards the Man of Stour. Yeah, we've never managed to see it, so we're really excited, and the weather's all right. There's no midges. It could be because it's windy, which is really helpful. It's just beautiful. I've just seen a sea otter. I think I might have caught it on camera. Every time I tried to film it, it kind of dived because I think it was fishing. And I've been watching and it hasn't kind of, maybe it's heard us. Loud humans, you know, not really on stealth mode. The boys are right out on the little peninsula. I'm not going to film them because I don't want to be on camera. I have to respect their wishes. But it's absolutely love it. I love it here. It's one of my favourite places on earth. We were trying to work out certain mountains, but at the moment you can't see Solven from here, and Solven's our favourite mountain. But hopefully we're going to go and visit that soon. Won't climb it, that's beyond my capabilities at the moment. Maybe one day. Maybe next year. I have to increase my fitness, but this is pretty darn good. Heading towards the Man of Stour. See you in a bit. Actually, while I have you, I did want to have a chat about going forward with the gardening channel. I'm not feeling it, I've got to be honest, with gardening. I love gardening, but it's just the demands of what my new job that I'm going to be starting in September, which I know is going to leave me absolutely shattered because it's a one-to-one with a very young autistic child. I'll say no more about that, that's the last I'll mention it. But I would want to, if I was doing it for the channel, I'd like to be filming on a regular basis, keeping it up to date and all that kind of stuff. But what I will do is I'm going to change the channel to sort of bits and pieces, bits like this, visiting wherever, not necessarily garden related. So if you're there just for gardening, I'll absolutely unsubscribe if you want to. I wouldn't blame you because that's what you were there for. It's just going to be a bits and pieces of me, what I'm up to, nothing specific, more random. Yeah, and I'm going to try, you know, because I have many interests, so that things about updates of the car and etc and all that kind of stuff, which will be ongoing. Nothing's really happened on that front. So yeah, I'm going to go now because the boys are sort of approaching. So I'll see you in a bit. Bench dedicated to Aunt Leslie, or Leslie McBriar. That's really lovely, that is, and it has an amazing outlook, looking out over to there. Well, we've just figured out that the old Man of Stour is, and there's two, there's one in Skye and then there's this one. I'll do a picture here of the one that's in Leg. It's way over there. We've misjudged distance, so we're not going to make it. But this is stunning, isn't it? This is absolutely stunning. We can see our cottage. It's just in the distance there. I'm not sure. Can't see. Oh. I can't see, but it's just there. Right, I'm going to say goodbye because we're going to be heading home. Yeah, I hope it's fine. I hope you don't, if you, yeah, with regards to the change of the channel, that just feels the right thing to do. Kind of allow all sort of the different sort of various hobbies. I'm going to rename it and all that. I did think, you know, I really thought, oh, a change of scene, it'll be easier working from home, but it's amazing how when you're tired and you just can't, even to the bottom of the garden. It's absolutely nuts. I will look after it, that little area, because I've got some herbs. I've planted some herbs and all that kind of stuff, but yeah, for a dedicated gardening channel, it's not going to work. Anyway, in this beautiful place, I'll take care and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.